Hey online marketer, do you actually make money from all the products you've bought from JVZoo? How many products do you think you've bought ever on JVZoo? 10? 20? Or more? Honest question, how many of those have you ever actually used to make money? 5? 1? Or none? The truth is, I know that some of these products are absolutely awesome and real profitable opportunities. I know because I know these product owners personally and I know the truth in these success stories. The thing is, why aren't you up there on those success story pages? I get it, I know you're not lazy. You just don't know where to start. You have the tools. All you need is the method. So keep watching until the end of this video, because you can finally start making money from all those products that have been sat on your account doing nothing for so long. Hi, my name is Jenny, in behalf of Herbert Flores. I want to introduce Matt Bush, the creator of Ignite. Ignite is a first-to-market special formula that people can use to make money from the many products they've already bought. Featuring a powerful formula and method that has brought Matt tremendous success, and also specific training on how to apply this method to over 40 recent products that have been released in the digital marketing space. If you don't have any products at all sat on your JVZoo account, Matt's even including 2 of top products in the hottest and most profitable niche, video. So you can make money right from the get-go even if you don't have any other products of your own. Here's Matt and he will show you inside the members area of Ignite.
Hi, my name is Matt Bush and I'm the creator of Ignite. In this brief video, I'll be giving you a behind the scenes look at the members area. Alright, so the first thing you'll notice is that everything is really easy to find. This right here is the core training. It's where I go through my special secret formula that'll show you how to start profiting from all the software that you've already bought. You'll be able to use this information to sell anything digital. It's how I succeeded in my own multi-million-dollar business. And this is where you'll find the extra special modules that we created for over 40 of the most recent top-selling JVZoo softwares and systems. If you own any of these products, you'll be able to benefit from the specific training that I have for each of these. Plus, you'll also find tons of other resources for these products, including things like swipes to sell, video commercials, and more. And don't forget, you'll also be getting access to some very special bonuses. You'll be receiving our top-selling softwares, Easy Magic Video and Easy Review Videos, so you can make your own stunning video commercials and then sell them using the Ignite formula. Plus, you'll be getting other bonuses, including top-level additional secrets that are going to make all of this even easier for you.
Was this helpful? If so, click the link below to access your Ignite Plus exclusive bonuses. You're going to love Ignite and I can't wait for you to finally monetize all those products you've bought. I can't wait for you to win. I can't wait to hear your success story. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. See you on our next video.